Oh, what's that? The BlizzardPeak hat. And the BlizzardPeak shirt. Yeah, it's a little wrinkly at the moment. But I'm decked out. Promoting my channel, I guess. We got BlizzardPeak and we got BlizzardPeak. And got this on Amazon. Got this on eBay. Just custom print shirts and hats. Decided why not get some stuff with my channel on it. I don't know. Anyway, guys, I will see you all in the next one. Take care and God bless. The video had to be over a minute and it wasn't because I kept trying to upload it as a short, which I didn't want. But anyways, we should be good now. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.